What's up everyone, it's your boy Brian here, and today we got the HomePod Mini here in the studio. I'm going to show you the unboxing process and how to get this set up. So let's dive into it. Starting off with the box, I gotta say this is one of the most unique packaging I've seen for an Apple product. I really like the font that they used for the word Mini and the colors they used for the Siri interface that's on top of the HomePod Mini. It's really appealing, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty distinguishable for the holiday seasons when you're looking to buy a smart speaker like Amazon Echo Dots and Google Nest Mini. First thing you're going to see obviously out of the box is a HomePod Mini. It has a very premium build and uses the same materials they used for the original HomePod. I really like the size of this speaker. It's similar to the size of a tennis ball, maybe a little bit bigger. Now let me take off this sticker right here, and there you have it, the Apple logo. Attached to the HomePod Mini is a USB-C braided cable, and it feels like it's pretty good material, like it won't bend and cut very easily. Now let's check in the box to see if they actually included a power adapter. Wow, would you look at that, they actually included a charger, and this is actually going to be a 20-watt power adapter. There you go, now that we got everything we need, let's get this set up. Like every Apple product, the setup process is very easy. You simply put your phone close to the HomePod Mini and you're gonna see this little pop-up window appear asking you if you want to connect to the new HomePod Mini. So after you have selected setup, you're gonna go through your privacy agreements. You wanna make sure that you accept everything. If you wanna add on your Apple Music accounts or anything like that, you would do that through this pop-up window.
Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Sure, here's some music picked just for you.
If you want to activate Siri, you can simply say "Hey Siri" or press on the middle of the button. I just activated it and I want to know what the weather is, so you can say "Hey Siri, what's the weather?"
It's currently clear and 64 degrees. Expect partly cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 64 degrees to 57 tonight.
How tall is the Empire State Building?
The Empire State Building is 1,457 feet tall.
Hey Siri, how far is New York?
New York City, New York is about 2,786 miles away by car.
So you can pretty much ask it anything you like, even if you want to make phone calls or send text messages. All of this could be possible with the HomePod Mini. And even if you're having a phone call on your phone or just playing music off of your phone, it doesn't matter what streaming service you use for music, you can always transfer any audio from your phone onto the HomePod Mini. Now let me do an example of this. Okay, so I got my music playing here on the phone. I simply put the phone on top of the HomePod Mini and it's gonna transfer automatically, pretty seamlessly. There you go. I gotta say it looks pretty elegant, pretty light, and simple design. Much better than the original HomePod. But this is a great addition to their line, and I hope there's many more colors than just space gray and white coming soon, because I know a lot of people like to customize these in separate ways. So that's pretty much it, guys. Short and simple video, just getting this unboxed and set up. And let me know in the comment section below, what are your thoughts on the HomePod Mini? Do you like the new design? Do you like the sound? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be making more Apple and more tech related videos in the future. And until next time, peace out.